Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make cucumber oil for the skin and for hair growth. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. And to my 518 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. So cucumbers are very rich in antioxidants activity, skin nourishing, soothing and cooling effect. It also reduces swelling, alleviates sunburn. So studies have shown that cucumber has the ability to reduce swelling and puffiness of the skin. This may be especially helpful if you've been running low on sleep and find you have dark, puffy circles under your eyes. So we are going to use cucumber, as you can see. So I've already washed and cleansed my cucumber, and it's a very fresh cucumber. Make sure that you go for organic, fresh cucumbers. So cucumbers will also aid if you have acne-prone skin or oily skin, and dead cells can clog pores and trigger acne breakout. So cucumber, which are mildly astringent, may help to cleanse the skin and tighten the pores. This may help reduce breakouts. So you have like strategically great. As you can see, we don't want the juice to get into our outer layer of our cucumber, because we don't want our oil to go rancid. So as you can see, like I'm doing it strategically, just remove the outside peels of our cucumber. As you can see, that is how our cucumber looks like. Yes friends, so subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below. So I have also shared a video on how you can make cucumber glyceride and also cucumber hair moisturizer and face moisturizer. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check them out. Like, they are very informative. And make sure that you are cautious, when removing the peels, so that you are not hurt. So that is how the peels looks like. So I'm just scooping some of them which were caught from our grater, as you can see. So I love that beautiful color which is coming out, that green color, friends. Like, whatever God made is so beautiful. This actually reminds me of the creation power of God. So cucumbers will also help combat premature aging. So what I'm going to do, I've gotten our bowl, and then we are going to put it in there, our mason jar, and then we are going to add 100 grams of our grapeseed oil. So you can use any oil that you have, but make sure that you go for lighter oils which don't clog your pores. You can use argan oil. You can also go for lighter oils, apricot. Yes, all those oils like which lighter, which will not clog your pores. Yes, so now we are adding our 100 grams of our oil. So additionally, cucumbers contain both vitamin C and folic acid. So vitamin C has the ability to stimulate new growth, that is for hair, while folic acid aids in fighting off environmental toxins that can make your skin look tired or prematurely aged. So at this point, I'm going to cover it very well. That is how it looks like. And then I'm going to let it sit for 7 days. Make sure that you put it in a dark corner and pass there, so that you shake it, give it a shake every day so that it is well combined. Yes, of course, we are not going to add any preservative because we didn't include any water in our cucumber oil. So shake it every day, shake it. So it's been 7 days. That is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like. So like, I'm super excited because our oil has infused so well. So cucumber also says irritation. The cooling and inflammatory effect of cucumber may help repair redness and irritation caused by sunburn, insect bites and rashes, and it also provides a base for hydration. So cucumber, which will maximize, soothe, hydrate your skin. So make sure that you get a fine strainer so that you can strain it, and I'm going to show you, like, there wasn't any water in it. So press so that you extract more oil. So cucumber will also help your hair to grow, because cucumber oil is an excellent source of vitamin phytonutrients and linoleic acids. This elegant, lipids is highly viscous and retains the light scent of cucumber, recognized as a superior nutrient for the maintenance of healthy skin, scalp, and it is ideally suited for use in personal care products. So you can use this oil to apply on your face. You can also use it to seal in the moisture, to lock in the moisture. I'm sure even for people it can work, because the best was the lighter oil, that is grapeseed oil. So that is how it looks like, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below, and subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that when we upload you'll be notified. So on this channel I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back for more videos. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.